Bearings require the highest precision and durability to perform in critical applications. EHWA CBN grinding tools ensure flawless results in the manufacturing process. Bore grinding demands accuracy and consistency. EHWA CBN tools provide precision for the perfect internal surface finish. For face grinding, precision is key. EHWA CBN wheels deliver smooth, accurate surfaces for optimal performance. Raceway grinding of the inner ring requires ultimate precision. EHWA CBN wheels ensure flawless surface quality and long-lasting performance. Honing refines the inner ring for perfect smoothness. EHWA CBN honing tools guarantee exceptional precision and finish. Precision face grinding of the outer ring ensures optimal bearing performance. EHWA CBN wheels provide exceptional accuracy and finish. Centerless grinding delivers efficiency and precision for cylindrical parts. EHWA CBN tools ensure stable and consistent performance. Raceway grinding of the outer ring requires exceptional precision. EHWA CBN wheels provide perfect surface quality for reliable performance.